Hi, I'm going to quickly run you through the 4 websites that I chose and how they adhere to some standards and break the rules in other ways. The first website, as you can see, is Universal Studios Orlando. It breaks one of the main major rules that a lot of websites adhere to, in that its logo is in the center of the page at the top instead of the left-hand side. But because their logo is a picture of the earth and it's symmetrical, it sort of keeps the balance on the page. It doesn't leave you feeling off balance like something is wrong. And it surrounds it on each side by sort of menu items. There's also drop-down menus, which is common with many theme park websites, and this big text window here that scrolls through different stories, also very common. It sort of follows the standard of sub-stories or mini-stories underneath the big text window, and there's a quick link section at the bottom that helps you find certain things quicker if you don't want to search through the website or you find yourself getting lost. You can come to the bottom and really almost anything that you want to find or may need will be there. Where it's different mainly is right here on the right hand side, where you can purchase a ticket right from the home page. You can tell them how long you're visiting and how many people are coming, and you can go through the process of purchasing a ticket right there. The same thing exists on Dollywood's site, where you can purchase tickets and things like that right there. It also adheres to a lot of the same standards. A big text window right here, followed by sub-stories at the bottom, and a quick link section at the bottom to help users find what it is they may be looking for faster. This website is different than Universal's in that the logo, of course, is on the left-hand side, like many other websites. It also breaks sort of standard rule in that the search bar is at the very top and the shopping cart is also at the very top, which could make it a little difficult and jarring for some users to find it. But overall, this website adheres to standards in a way that allows the experience to still be a good one, and it doesn't let the website feel boring. The next website is Six Flags Magic Mountain, located in Los Angeles. This website is a little more difficult to understand. While it has drop-down menus like the other 2 sites, this one is different in that its text window here in the middle, it does have rotating stories like the other websites, but it also has this section on the right-hand side that's sort of scrolling through its own stories. And it's confusing for the user because you're not sure what you're looking at, if this over here has anything to do with this over here. There's no line that sort of separate it and tells me what these are. And that's one major way that it's different. There are also sub-stories here at the bottom, like other websites, but it's also different in that there is no formal quick link section. There are a couple of links down here, but if I'm looking for jobs, well, it's back up here. Or a search, there's no search bar. There's a search link that takes me to another page, and that's up here as well as park info and other things. So the information sort of scattered, and that isn't like many other theme park websites that I've seen and researched. This is also more standard, but it also seems to be more tedious for the user, having to click the tickets button and then it takes me to another site instead of being able to purchase my tickets right from the homepage. The last website is also another regional website, Carowinds, located in Charlotte, North Carolina. And same thing, it has the logo on the top left-hand side, like many other websites, drop-down menus, a big text window here that gives you the important stories and it rotates, followed by sub-stories down here. One of the major differences with this website, unlike Six Flags, it does have a search menu, but it suffers from the same problem of not allowing you to purchase tickets on the main page. You have to click through. But also, one of the major problems with this website is that the quick links is located here, and it's in between 3 other windows, which makes it sort of difficult to find. And then there are other links down here like jobs and sitemap, and so it can be disorienting for a user trying to find certain things. So this is why Six Flags and Carowinds were 2 websites I found confusing, while Dollywood and Universal Studios were good websites.